Yo, what is up, everyone? You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Gap Trades, man. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine, man. Hey, today we're gonna be talking about why, as a trader, you need 2 trading accounts. This is very important. It will help you in your gains tremendously. All right, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and warm me up my coffee. It's a little cold. It's peppermint mocha. If you haven't had it, I'm telling you, get it. And by the time we get back, I will let you know. All right, cool. What is up, everyone? I'm back. Coffee warmed up. That's quick, huh? Yeah, I know. So what we got going on is live trade, as you can see. And as a trader, why is it important to have 2 trading accounts? Okay, so if you're looking here, this is a gap play. It was a gap up today. As you can see, we ended yesterday at 24,365, and we end up opening up at 24,657 points, like 288. We end up opening up at 24,654. So yeah, 24,664. So that was like an opening of 288 points. As you can see, we had a fake out right here. This is the initial pullback where I entered into the trade. I had a stop loss of 144 points, so it's half that. I risked $600 to make 1,200, so wasn't so bad. I ended up getting stopped out here. I came back and I broke even here. As you can see, we're inside the window and I'm post to take the trade here. I just broke even, got out. Reason why: trade didn't go my way. I don't want to force anything. It's called discipline. Understand? So why is it important to have 2 trading accounts? Well, this is my day trading account here, and it didn't go my way. So I'm in another trade right now in my swing trading account, and this is for a longer term hold, for like a day, 2, 5 days, 10 days. It depends. So we're looking here at the 1 minute chart today, and there's a couple ways you can play swing trading. You can do it for a 24-hour period. You can do it for a couple days. You can do it for weeks. I'm in it. I've been in this trade for about 5 days now. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a long-term thing. The longer you're out, the more you get paid when you trade futures contracts, because it's $5 per point. So what we're looking here at is we're looking at today's chart in the futures. So you're looking at the low of 24,455 and a high of 24,844. So roughly what, 399 points, somewhere around there, right? So it's about like a $1,500 trade if you're doing that. Like I said, I've been in mines for 5 days, and this is the reason why. Because after this trade goes through on the momentum trade, what we teach, I'm sorry, we have a little bit of technical difficulties. Let me go ahead and sip my stuff. Oh, you want to act up? You want to act up while I'm on live camera, huh? That's why you want. That's how you want to do me. Look, the whole chart is not even showing up like how it's supposed to. Oh, my bad. I hit the wrong joint. That's my fault. Anywho, we're looking at a 5-day chart. So the high 5 days ago, which would be 5 trading days ago, which would be last Wednesday, was 25,190. I entered into the trade. Monday here at this point at 24,000 41 points. So if you look at that, that's roughly a thousand, and 150 points. So that means at the end of this trade for 5 days, this is a $6,000 trade, in this trading account. So I am always into a trade. This is why it's always important to have two trading accounts. One for as a day trader, one for swing trading, and one for your day trading activities. Because as you can see today, my trade didn't work out for me the way that I wanted to. But I'm still into a trade right now that's lasting 5 days. That's going to net me $6,000 when we go up. See, we already hit the low. And as you can see, we're going right. We here, we had touched that, and we're just treading up. We have to establish a new low. We have to. I mean, a new high. Excuse me. We after the low. See, we already did the low right here at 23,894. Now we got to do the high. We're going up from here. So I'm not really worried about what transpired today. It usually happens like that. It's a gap up window. So what's supposed to happen is when the chart come back on, a gap up window is we're supposed to fill that. We're supposed to fill the gap anyways. So I'm not really worried about the market going down right now. If it does, because this window is supposed to get filled. If it doesn't get filled today, it's going to get filled some point in the future. It could be a week from now. It could be a couple days from now. Preferably, I would like a couple days from now, because if you check out one of my posts earlier in the week or last week, I predicted a new high for the year. And let's go check out that chart right quick. It's not looking too good for my predictions, but I mean we're only off by like a couple thousand, and the way the market swings is we can go ahead and get that in a couple days. You know what I'm saying? A couple 500 point rallies and stuff, right? So this is where we're at, 24,667. I said I predicted the new high for the year. I just passed it, which was 26,966. So we're off roughly by like 2,300 points right now. Like I said, we could get there. A couple $500 point trading days, and we will make it. Does it look like it's happening right now? No. So I need us to fill the window like real soon if we don't fill it today. But that's it, and I'll holler at y'all. Gone. Yeah. So there you have it, everybody, man. That's my take on why you should have two trading accounts as a trader. You know what I'm saying? One for swing trading, one for day trading. I hope this was helpful. If it was, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Come on, man. I'm providing value. And I hope it's helpful, and I hope this helps you become a better trader and everything. All right. So everybody be smooth.